If you want to buy your first drill, but there are literally hundreds of options out there, and they all look the same, how do you pick the right one without wasting your money? Well, today we're breaking down the 15 best drills for beginners, covering everything from power and torque to battery life, included accessories, and overall value. Whether you need something light for hanging pictures or a serious tool for weekend projects, we've got you covered. I'm Tools Query, and let's jump right in. Number 1. DecoPro 8-volt cordless drill. The DecoPro 8-volt cordless drill is about as beginner-friendly as it gets. It runs on a small built-in 1.3 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery that charges through micro USB, so there's no bulky charger to deal with. With 110 in-pounds of torque and a 3/8-inch keyless chuck, it handles light tasks without breaking a sweat. Now, this isn't a powerhouse, and it's not trying to be. It's specifically made for light household fixes and DIY crafts, like tightening cabinet screws or assembling small projects. If you want something simple and ultra-lightweight to keep in a drawer, this is a solid starting point. Next up, the Avid Power 20-volt cordless drill brings a nice bump in performance. You're getting 280 inch-pounds of torque, 15+1 clutch settings, and a variable speed trigger up to 550 revolutions per minute. That's plenty for most around-the-house drilling and driving tasks. But here's what makes it unique. The battery pack has a built-in USB output so you can actually charge your phone with it. That's a clever touch you don't see often. It's a favorite among homeowners who want one reliable tool without overcomplicating things. A genuinely useful pick for beginners. Moving on, the Fataqualt cordless drill set steps things up with a dual-speed gearbox, 0 to 400 revolutions per minute on low, and up to 1,500 revolutions per minute on high. That gives you much more flexibility when switching between driving screws and drilling holes. What really sets it apart, though, is the 25+1 clutch settings. That's more precision than most budget drills offer, so you can fine-tune the torque for different materials. With 258 inch-pounds of torque and a 20-volt battery, it punches well above its price. Great for beginners who want a little more control. Number 4. Black-Decker 20-volt Max Power Connect cordless drill. The Black-Decker is an Amazon bestseller, and honestly, it's easy to see why. It comes with a massive 100-piece accessory set right in the box. Drill bits, screwdriver bits, nut drivers, you name it. You basically don't need to buy anything else to get started. It runs on the Power Connect battery system, which means the battery works with other Black-Decker 20-volt tools down the road. With 24 clutch settings and a trusted brand behind it, this is one of the best value-packed beginner drills out there, perfect for someone setting up their first toolkit. Now we're getting into the serious stuff. The DeWalt cordless drill driver set is built for people who want professional-grade quality from day one. It delivers 300 unit watts out of power and has a dual-speed transmission, 0 to 450 and 0 to 1,500 revolutions per minute. So it handles everything from delicate work to tough drilling. What makes this even better is that it comes with two 20-volt max batteries, so you always have a backup ready. At just 3.6 pounds, it's lightweight enough for long use without fatigue. This is the best drill for beginners who plan to take on bigger projects down the line. Number 6. High-spec 4-volt mini electric power screwdriver. Alright, this one's a little different. The high-spec isn't really a traditional drill. It's a mini electric screwdriver designed for precision tasks. It has a 1/4-inch hex chuck, 3.5 Newton-meter of torque, and spins at just 200 revolutions per minute, which is perfect for controlled, low-power jobs. Think furniture assembly, IKEA builds, electronics repair, that kind of thing. It's compact, rechargeable, and comes with a nice set of accessories. If you don't need to drill holes and just want something to make screw driving way easier, this little tool is a surprisingly handy pick. Coming in at number 7, the ComaWare 20-volt cordless drill is built with comfort in mind. It features an ergonomic vibration-reducing grip and weighs only about 2.2 pounds for the tool body alone. That makes it one of the lightest 20-volt drills you'll find anywhere. Under the hood, you're getting 266 in-pounds of torque and 25 plus 1 clutch settings with a 3/8-inch keyless chuck. It's well-balanced and easy to handle, even for extended use. If hand fatigue is a concern for you, this one deserves a serious look. Really comfortable everyday drill. Number 8. NewBeat Cordless Drill Set. The NewBeat 20-volt Blue Series catches your eye right away with its bold, high-visibility blue design. But it's more than just looks. It packs a 2-speed gearbox with 0 to 400 and 0 to 1,500 revolutions per minute, which is the same kind of setup you'll find in professional tier drills. It also features 25 plus 1 clutch settings, a keyless chuck, and comes with a carrying case plus drill bit accessories. For the price, you're getting specs that mimic tools costing twice as much. A great budget pick for beginners who want pro-level features without the pro-level price tag. Here's what I call the Goldilocks drill. The DecoPro 12-volt Compact sits right in the sweet spot between the tiny 8-volt models and the heavier 20-volt beasts. You get 220 in-pounds of torque, a dual-speed transmission, and 18 plus 1 clutch settings, all in a compact, lightweight body. It's powerful enough to handle most household tasks like drilling into wood or driving screws into drywall, but it won't weigh your arm down. If you want more capability than the entry-level options without going full size, this is a really smart middle ground. Excellent balanced choice. Now, if you want the ultimate beginner upgrade, the DeWalt DCK240C2 combo kit is hard to beat. You get 2 tools, the DCD771 drill or driver plus the DCF885 impact driver, which delivers a whopping 1,400 in-pounds of torque for driving long screws without stripping them. Both tools run on the same 20-volt max batteries, and 2 batteries are included. Having an impact driver alongside your drill is a game changer, especially for deck screws or lag bolts. This is the starter kit for anyone who's serious about building and fixing things around the home. Number 11. DecoPro 20-volt Cordless Power Drill. The DecoPro 20-volt Pink or Black Series packs the highest torque in the budget category at 310 inch-pounds. That's more than some name-brand competitors charge double for. It has 18 plus 1 clutch settings and a 3/8-inch chuck. Solid specs all around. What makes it stand out even more is the distinct pink color option, which has made it a popular pick for gifts or personalized toolkits. Don't let the color fool you though. This thing has serious power behind it. A fun and capable drill that doesn't compromise on performance. If the 100-piece kit felt like overkill, the Black Decker LD120VA is the more streamlined alternative. It includes a focused 30-piece accessory set with just the essentials, the bits you'll actually use day to day. With 300 in-pounds of torque and a compact form factor, it's ready to work right out of the box. Weighing in at about 4.7 pounds total for the kit, it's easy to store in a small apartment or closet. You still get the reliability of the Black Decker name and 20-volt max power. If you want a no-fuss, dependable drill for basic apartment living, this one checks every box. Number 13. Polituo 20-volt Cordless Drill Set. The Polituo 20-volt Professional Edition has a trick that most budget drills don't. It comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries right in the box. That means you can keep working while the other one charges, which is a huge convenience most people don't appreciate until they need it. Spec-wise, you're looking at 21 plus 1 clutch settings, a 3/8-inch chuck, and solid 20-volt performance across the board. It's a well-rounded kit that eliminates the biggest frustration of cordless tools, running out of power mid-project. Smart buy for anyone tackling longer tasks. This next one isn't just a drill, it's a complete home toolkit. The Precol 8-volt Homeowner Set bundles an 8-volt cordless drill together with essential hand tools, like a hammer, pliers, and tape measure, all in one organized carrying case. It charges via Type-C USB fast charging, which is a nice modern touch. Now, the drill itself is designed for lighter tasks, so don't expect to bore through concrete. But as a housewarming gift or a first-time homeowner starter pack, this is genuinely one of the most thoughtful and practical kits you can buy. Closing out our list, the Work Pro 8-volt Pink Series is a sleek, compact little drill built for light indoor projects. It delivers about 10 Newton-meters of torque through a 3/8-inch keyless chuck and features a handy front LED light for working in dim spaces like closets or under cabinets. It charges via USB and has a streamlined, modern design that honestly looks great on a shelf. This is specifically made for DIY crafts and light home fixes, not heavy drilling. If you want something small, stylish, and easy to grab for quick tasks, this wraps up our list nicely. Alright, so there you have it. 15 of the best drills for beginners at every price point. If I had to pick standouts, the DeWalt is the one to beat for pure quality, and the Black Decker 100-piece kit delivers unbeatable starter value. Check the links in the description to grab any of these at the best price. Hit that like button, subscribe to Tools Query, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a review.